Day 8. Learn practical expressions for everyday life. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn and Fun. Today is day 8 of our Learn English in 30 Days series. In this lesson, we are focusing on practical expressions that you can use in your daily life. These expressions are simple, easy to remember, and super useful for real-life conversations. Plus, we'll practice everything you've learned so far. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident using English in real-life situations. Let's begin. Part 1. Morning expressions. Let's start with the morning routine. Here are some expressions you can use when you begin your day. 1. When you wake up. Good morning. How did you sleep? What's the plan for today? Can you make some tea or coffee? I need to get ready quickly. What time do we leave? 2. Breakfast time. What's for breakfast today? I'll have some toast and eggs. Can you pass me the salt, please? This tea tastes amazing. Part 2. At work or school. Now let's talk about phrases you can use at work, school, or while studying. 1. When starting your work or study day. Let me check my schedule first. I need to finish this assignment by noon. Can you explain this to me again? 2. During a meeting or discussion. I have an idea to share. Could you please repeat that? Let's discuss this further. 3. When asking for help or clarification. Can you help me with this task? I don't understand this topic. Can you explain it? Let me know if you need any help from me. Part 3. Shopping and going out. Do you enjoy shopping or going out? These phrases will be very helpful. 1. At a shop or market. How much is this item? Do you have this in another color or size? Can I try this on? I'll take this one, please. Thank you. Keep the change. 2. While eating out. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend here? I'll have a pizza and some juice. Can I get the bill, please? Part 4. Asking for help or directions. In many situations, we need help or directions. Here are some simple ways to ask. 1. Asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? How far is the railway station from here? Which way should I go to the shopping mall? 2. Asking for help. Can you help me carry this bag? I'm lost. Can you guide me to the main road? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Interactive part for you. Let's practice together. I'll ask you a question, and you can answer it in the comments section below. 1. What do you usually say when you wake up? Share your answer. 2. Imagine you are at a restaurant. How would you order food politely? 3. If you get lost in a new city, what will you ask to find your way? Homework for you. Here's a small task for you to practice what you've learned today. 1. Write 5 sentences using the expressions you've learned. For example, good morning. How did you sleep? Can I see the menu, please? Practice one conversation with a friend or family member using these phrases. 3. Share your favorite phrases in the comments below. Part 1. Let's revising what you've learned. After learning new expressions, let's quickly review some important concepts from the past lessons. 1. Greetings. Good morning. How are you? I'm doing great, thank you. Practice. Imagine you're meeting a friend. Say these greetings aloud. 2. Introducing yourself. My name is Sam. I'm from United Kingdom. It's nice to meet you. Practice. Write 3 sentences introducing yourself in different ways. 3. Common questions. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Task. Answer these questions in the comment as if someone is asking you. Speak your answers loudly for practice. Part 2. Learning new practical expressions. Now let's learn some new phrases that are extremely useful in daily conversations. 1. Asking for help. Can you help me, please? I need your help. Could you explain this to me? Example. Imagine you are at a supermarket and you can't find the sugar aisle. Say, "Excuse me, can you help me find the sugar aisle, please?" 2. Showing gratitude. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Practice. Smile and say these phrases out loud to make your tone more polite and natural. 3. Starting small talk. It's such a lovely day, isn't it? How's everything going? What's new with you? Example. Imagine meeting a colleague. Start a casual conversation by saying, "Hi, how's everything going?" Part 3. Practice through a story. Let's see how to use these expressions in a real-life scenario. One morning, Max went to a park to relax. As he entered, he noticed an elderly woman looking confused. Max smiled and asked, "Good morning. Do you need any help?" The woman replied, "Yes, please. Can you tell me where the walking trail starts?" Max pointed towards the trail and said, "It's just over there on the left." The woman smiled and said, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help." Max replied, "You're welcome. Have a great walk." Later, Max sat on a bench and started reading a book. A young boy approached him and asked, "Excuse me, could you help me? I can't find my ball." Max looked around and said, "Sure, let's look for it together." After a minute, they found the ball. The boy smiled and said, "Thanks a lot." Max replied, "No problem. Enjoy your game." When Max returned home, he thought about how helping others and talking politely made his day better. Part 4. Now it's your turn to practice. Answer these questions in the comments. 1. If someone helped you carry your bag, how would you thank them? 2. Imagine you are lost. How will you politely ask for directions? 3. Write 1 sentence starting a small talk with your neighbor. Homework. 1. Write 5 sentences using the new expressions we learned today. 2. Read Max's story aloud to practice pronunciation and fluency. 3. Use any 2 expressions like "Thank you so much" or "Can you help me?" in real life today. That's all for today's lesson. I hope these practical expressions will help you in your everyday conversations. Remember, practice is the key to learning English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Fun. And stay tuned for Day 9, where we will explore even more interesting ways to improve your English. See you soon.